Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hey, welcome to this video. Now, this one's going to be a little bit different. I did a training in my Options Elite class for my members, and it was super good, and it was so good that I decided to, put it into this video so you guys can watch it. Now, first of all, before I jump into Facebook, I have this pulled up. This is GLD. And I talked about this yesterday in the Forex class. This is what we're looking for. Do you see this beautiful clean chart? Beautiful. 8 above the 21, above the pink. I mean, this is stacked beautiful. So trend, check. Pattern, oh yes, baby. Consolidation under a high and above a low. Anything that's happening in the middle, that's a price pattern, and the gurus will give you a fancy name to try to sell you something. They'll tell you it's an ascending triangle, it's a symmetrical triangle, it's the koala bear, it's the alligator pattern. Buy it. The alligator pattern is guaranteed to make you a lot of money. Come on. All it is consolidation. So I'm going to let you in on a little secret. A price pattern is nothing more than support and resistance. That's it. You draw support, you draw resistance. If it does like this, you're connecting what? Highs and lows. That's a price pattern. Oh, that's a symmetrical triangle. I know a lot. It's just consolidation. The faster your brain tells yourself that trend, consolidation, squeeze. What is consolidation? It's a failed bull flag. Up, pull back into a flag, it bounces, oh, it fails, but it stays above that, and it just does this. Consolidation is a failed bull flag, okay? Failed bull flag. Perfect example. Up, pull back, right into the 21, which is, a beautiful. Just like this one, 34, but look, it went up, didn't make a high, pull back over, okay? Here, it went up to a high, pulled back to the 34. That's a deep pullback. Didn't break the high, dropped. Failed bull flag is what starts the consolidation. Failed bull flag starts the consolidation. Look, this went up, pulled back, broke to a new high. That's a bull flag that did not fail. But look, we got this beautiful, and I do this on YouTube. I get comments. I think I share with you guys. One of the comments that I got, my mentor's been telling me, you need to collect comments. So, number one is if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Help me out. Subscribe. Not only that, I got good content. It's free. Check this out. This guy right here, Joseph. This was one of my videos. How to make money trading the TT and the squeeze. What really matters. He put, I love this video, and I wish I could hit the like button 10 times to give you a thumbs up. Well, I wish you could hit the like button too, Joseph. Look at this. This is amazing. This video is based on John Carter's Squeeze Pro indicator. But darn, I must confess that the instruction, strategy, and explanation is the best I have seen so far. What? This guy, who I don't know, basically just said that I explained the Squeeze Pro better than the person who created it. Now, you're hearing a vacuum. My wife is vacuuming. So if you hear that just for a minute, I apologize, but you know how it is with the corona, everybody's still at home. But anyway, this was such a great comment. So, I don't know. That's pretty cool to me. So, what does that mean? Well, that means that I guess I know what I'm talking about a little bit. Now we just got to get you guys to start implementing it. But look at this. This is it, guys. The only thing that I don't like about this is it's only a 3-dot low compression squeeze. I like to see 5. That's for my squeeze plays. I trade bull flags. I trade breakouts. and I trade squeezes. So bull flags, breakout squeeze. Those are the 3 strategies that I trade. And I love to squeeze the most. I will be straight up honest with you. Okay, and I guess I explained it pretty good. But this is the granddaddy right here, except 2 more dots. So what I would like to see is it drop down a little bit, give us 2 more dots, 2 more dots. This is the perfect. This is gold, right? Gold. Now, Rafa, you said let's look at Facebook. Facebook is on an absolute tear. Facebook is on a tear. Now, what do we see? First thing that we notice is it's a strong, beautiful trend. And we're going to look at what we're making right now, okay? So, the first thing that I look at, you guys know, is if it's in an uptrend, I really want to see this beautiful stack. Boom. I want to see if the stock is above the 8, okay? So if you're trading with us, this is what we're looking for. Okay, the beautiful picture. And if it's above the 8, somebody in the chat, please, and if you don't know, please put a question mark. Somebody in the chat, when a stock is above the 8, what is our game plan? If I am going to trade Facebook, it's above the 8, what is our game plan? And yes, we're going to look at the profits here in a second, but I want to get some engagement. Because again, it's about implementation. It's not about me just talking. So what is our game plan if it's above the 8? Type into the chat. Because again, information alone is not going to help you make money. Rafa, thanks for putting your answer. AJ, Jason, I know we have several people who watch the recording. Type in something. What do you think? I need to make sure you get this. This is not about information. It's about you making money. So you got to be engaged. You got to be active. That's the only way. When the stock is above the 8, what is my game plan? Yeah, I'm bullish. Thanks. All right. Okay. I'm bullish. Absolutely. Trade bullishly? Yes. My game, and write this down for your notes. When it's above the 8 on the daily time frame, the majority of the time you will not have a squeeze on the daily chart. So if I'm going to trade Facebook, I need to drop it down into a smaller time frame. That's it. Look at this beauty. Look, this is the 78-minute chart. You tell me this is not a thing of beauty. Take a picture of this chart. This is a beauty. This is what you need to be trading. And if it's above the 8, this is how it looks the majority of the time. Now, what we're waiting for is that consolidation into the squeeze, and then we enter in the buy zone. So whenever it's above the 8, I'm looking for squeezes. Okay, I know tomorrow if it pulls back a little bit, I know that there is more than likely a squeeze developing in a smaller time frame. That's just the way it is. So game plan. Go to a shorter time frame on the trade if it's above the 8. End of story. No squeeze on the daily. Then we go find a squeeze on a smaller time frame. And this is the 78-minute chart. 39-minute. Look at this. Oh my God. I mean, come on. I did not have this planned. I am only talking about this because, Rafa, you brought it up, which I'm so glad you did. Look. 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 Did I say look? Beautiful picture. Thing of beauty. Beautiful. Trend, pull back, consolidation, squeeze. Look at this. Momentum shifted on the TTM. It even shifted before the candle colors. That, my friends, was a time where I would... And look what happened. Boop, 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 boop. Easily get 40, 50, 60, 70% return. Is that good for y'all? Are you okay with a 60 to 70% return? Because this pattern happens all the freaking time. I don't go at charts on a smaller time frame just for the heck of it. I'm drilling this point in. I focus on smaller time frames when on the daily it's an animal. It's a racehorse. And then I apply the rules that I teach the same as on the daily. Game plan, shorter time frame if it's above the 8. You will see this beautiful thing all the time. You need, and again, today, your assignment, take a trade. Take a trade. If you've been holding back, take a trade. You will not learn unless you take a trade. I'm going to use Rafa as a good example. Rafa watched and watched and watched forever in the Forex. And then he finally implemented, he took a trade, and you type in the chat, I know it'll be a long one, but you type in the chat, now what has that done for your confidence? Because you started implementing what we teach. Cannot stress to you enough. And I don't care who you learn from, not you guys in the university, but in the Facebook world. I don't care who you learn from. That you can get information everywhere. If that person's going to help you become accountable and teach you in a way that's going to cause you to have action, go for it. But me, if you elect to have me teach you, then I'm going to be straight up with you. Straight up with you. Just like I want to be straight up with you. If you're interested in learning how to trade options, then if you're on Facebook, comment down below. Comment down below, and I'll send you the link to a free options 101 course, and I'll send you the link to get my book, the ebook, completely for free as an added bonus. But you have to comment down below, or I will not. I will no longer post links inside the chat anymore. I will reserve that for people who are serious. It's not about me just giving all this value and posting links. Nuh-uh. You want to learn, you comment down below if you're watching this in the Facebook group. And there's probably nobody because I don't even know if StreamYard's working. And also, I haven't been live in this group in a decade. I need to become more active as well. Okay? So anyway, that's what I got. What I might start doing is going live in the Facebook group when we do our just review. And then I'll cut the live off, and then we'll actually go into implementation in the course. Maybe that's something that we can do, is I can go live inside the Trading Part-Time University group, and then when we actually dive into the action, cut off the live, and then just reserve that for there. We'll see. Rafa typed in the chat, it isn't the tool that counts, it's the psychology that matters. We all have the same tools. Now, I have the TTM Squeeze Pro. AJ, I know you have the TTM Squeeze Pro. That guy even said I explained it better than the freaking creator. I'm happy about that. So, we got to implement it. We got to start utilizing it. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that video lesson. If you're still here, then you must have enjoyed it. And again, I really appreciate it. So again, if you're new to the channel and you liked that video that I delivered, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell to be notified whenever I shoot a brand new video, and like this video if you haven't done so yet.